Don't play. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, V got a new hairstyle, okay? V got a new hairstyle. Let me just show you guys less talking, more showing, okay? Guys, so this unit is from Hairvivi, but listen, let's talk presentation. That looks good. So first things first, wait. Why was I fake struggling? A cashback plan, pamphlets, Hairvivi point benefits, live customer service, and just a bunch of information in this, which is really nice. This has, ooh, okay, a little baggy. So there's a tail comb, edge brush, alligator clips. That's what I call it, alligator clips. I'm actually gonna use this for this video because why not? But the wig's in here. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. Guys, what am I doing? Okay, and this. So this is a fake scalp wig. Guys, don't mind my nails. Don't mind my nails. I just came out from vacation. I just like broke them off. But it's a fake scalp wig. So basically, I don't need to wear a stocking cap underneath my head because it's literally already given scalp. And the lace is so thin. Like it's super duper thin and it really blends. So let's get into this. Let's really get into this. And also it has an adjustable strap in the unit. It has a clip on both sides. There's a clip right here. Is there another clip? Nah, just one clip. One clip in the back for you to, like, you know, clamp this underneath your cornrows. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig on. So make sure when you're cutting your lace, you want to start off in the middle. And you just want to like go right there. And then you want to cut in zigzag motion. Guys, see how thin this lace is. Whoa. Also, it came pre-bleached, so this is fresh out the box. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. It's been a long day, long year. So what are you doing this weekend? Let's grab a plane out of here. Go up to the NYC, baby. It's crazy. So guys, as you can see, scalp. Don't play. Don't play. Don't play, okay? Don't play. So now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off this side on the lace. I'm sure you guys can't see this, but just know I'm gonna show you guys at the end. I'm just gonna cut around. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this ear tabs down because I want to do my baby hairs. I want to do a couple baby hairs, not too much, just a couple. Because I love baby hairs. I really love baby hairs. So I'm gonna do baby hairs in my baby hair area. Not baby hair area, my hairline, it's a baby hair area. Again. So let's pull out those hairs, and I'm gonna use a I'm gonna try out this spray because this is a spray I've been wanting to use. I'm just gonna use it. Even if this wig does not need anything, I'm gonna use it. Just because I'm going out for a while today, and yeah, I just want to. Why not? So I'm gonna set my hair with that spray. I'm in my hairline, but you guys can already see that it's giving what it's supposed to give already. It's literally given. It's given. Okay, it's given. So I'm gonna use that spray, and I'm just gonna spray my hairline. And I'm gonna put a band around my edges. I'm gonna use the Ibn Wonder Lace Bond. It's not really glue, it's just like spray. It's like you know how people use Got To Be, but this is the better version than Got To Be. So I'm just gonna do it in my hairline area. Just my hairline area, because I don't wanna get on the hair. And you don't need to do too much either. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna tie this down. What the hell? Can I tie anymore? I'm go ahead and tie this down really tight so it could really like do what it needs to do. I let that sit in for like 5-10 minutes. Honestly, like in between 5 or 10 minutes, and I took it out and it's literally like laid. It's so laid. It was laid beforehand, but now it's even more laid. So I'm just going ahead and I'm cutting off my baby hairs. It looks pretty long right now, but just watch me finesse. Watch me finesse this. So now this is where the mini straightener comes in. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my mini straightener and I'm gonna just swoop it, like literally turn it in and just pull it down. So it makes like a curly swoop like that. Okay. We have done 3 sides of this. So now that the swoopity swoop is swooped, we're gonna go ahead and create those baby hairs. And yep, a little bit. Side. I told you guys I like crazy baby hairs, so don't judge me. This is this side and that's that side. They giving what it's supposed to give. Mind you, I'm not even done. I'm not done. Y'all, let me take a selfie. Let me take a what? I understood the assignment. They understood the assignment, okay? They really understood the assignment. I love this hair. Go ahead and just straighten it in. Give it that body look. So like, take the bottom and just like curve it in a little bit. You don't even have to do too much with this. Literally just curve it in. Yup. To give it that silk press look. Guys, oh my god. Wait. Because like don't play, like don't play at all with Hairvivi. Like this is really giving like, it's really giving like silk press. I love the length is so long. Normally I always wear short hair, but this is different. I actually like it. I said short hair. I normally wear long hair, like longer in length hair, but this is really cute. Oh guys, hold up. What the hell? What's going on here? I'm gonna just spray a little bit. Just on my edges so it could stay. Freaking flat. Oh my god. Guys, I'm trying to like make sure I don't burn myself. I have to like reposition how I was. Make sure you do the back area. It's really important too, you know, not just the sides, and let the back stay all humpy. But that's it. That's it, y'all. That's it, y'all. That's it, and that is all. Oh my god, y'all. Yo, what? Ooh, my bad. Edges. Guys, I am so impressed with this hair. Like, first of all, the quality is good, amazing, A+. The density is great, especially for this length. It's literally like it's a natural like given. Like it's a natural density for, you know, this length. Like it literally looks like my real hair. It literally looks like my real hair. It literally looks like my real hair. Thank you guys so much for tuning back to my channel. Don't forget to use the discount codes when you're purchasing. I will leave the link below right here. I meant the link below. I'll leave the discount code name right here. The link to this unit will be in my description. Check Hairvivi out. They're really bomb, and yeah, like I'm really satisfied with my hair, so you will be too. Anyways, guys, I'm sorry, I'm really feeling myself. Like, this is really cute. Thank you guys so much for tuning back into my video, and I will see you all in my next video.